Welcome friends. Today I will talk about Top 15 Mindfulness Inspirations of Sri Guru Amit Ray. Dr. Amit Ray is one of the most respected meditation master of modern world. I am deeply inspired by his teachings. He is known to the world for his teachings on meditation, yoga, peace and compassion. He is best known for his mindfulness meditation teachings. He is author of several books on meditation and other spiritual topics. He teaches peace, love and compassion for the transformation of human consciousness. He is an inspiration for many, across the world. His quotes motivates millions of people across the world to live a meaningful life. I have collected here top 15 famous mindfulness quotes of Sri Guru Amit Ray. Hope these will inspire you. Mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we're doing, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. Sri Amit Ray said, "World is a dance. Mindfulness is witnessing that dance." Through mindfulness, we bring a gentle presence to the ever-changing stream of sensations, feelings, thoughts, sounds, sights, or whatever happens to present itself. In short, we become intimate with this ever-changing precious moment. Sri Amit Ray said, "Moment is a flower. Mindfulness is sipping the nectar of that flower." Letting go is the essence of mindfulness meditation. Thoughts, emotions, ideas, opinions, beliefs, emotions, sensations are all to be observed, explored and then let go. Sri Amit Ray said, "If you want to fly on the sky, you need to leave the earth. If you want to move forward, you need to let go the past that drags you down." When you embrace patience, you can sit still in your mind, not chasing every mental whim, impulse, and desire. Sri Amit Ray said, "Mindfulness is not chasing the moment but beautifying the moment." You may find your mind wandering constantly, that's normal, too. Instead of wrestling with your thoughts, practice observing them without reacting. Just sit and pay attention. Dr. Ray said, "Open the window of your mind. Allow the fresh air, new lights and new truths to enter." Growing number of research showing that when you train your brain to be mindful, you actually remodeling the physical structure of your brain. Sri Amit Ray said, "Each moment means a new possibility. Mindfulness is not resisting things to happen but allowing life to unfold its wings." In mindfulness meditation we focus our attention on the breath, not because there is anything special about it, but because the physical sensation of breathing is always there and we can use it as an anchor to the present moment. Sri Guru Amit Ray said, "Breath is the finest gift of nature. Be grateful for this wonderful gift." Mindfulness practice means gently attending to our experience and inquiring deeply into ourselves. We meet life as it presents itself from moment to moment. We vividly experience what is alive now. Sri Amit Ray said, "In every bend of time there is some surprise, joy and beauty. Mindfulness is the light to discover it." Mindfulness is a natural quality that we all have. It's available to us in every moment if we take the time to appreciate it. Sri Amit Ray said, "Beautify your inner dialogue. Beautify your inner world with love, light and compassion. Life will be beautiful." In mindfulness meditation, once you establish concentration, you observe the flow of inner thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations without judging them as good or bad. As such experiences arise and pass away, we may tap into a deep pool of stillness that has been long neglected. Sri Amit Ray said, "Self-observation is the first step of inner unfolding." When we notice our breath judgments arise during our practice, we can make a mental note of them, and let them pass. Sri Amit Ray said, "If you want to conquer the anxiety of life, live in the moment, live in the breath." Generally, our compulsive mental chatters causes discomfort, worry, fear or tension. Only by not chasing after that might be can we wake up to who we are. Sri Amit Ray said, "As the flower blooms in spring, compassion grows in mindfulness." Whenever you bring awareness to what you redirectly experiencing via your senses, or to your state of mind via your thoughts and emotions, you being mindful. Sri Amit Ray said, "Life is a dance. Mindfulness is witnessing that dance." I am a mindfulness enthusiast. I understand and appreciate the benefits of developing a mindfulness practice and, for the past few years, the essence of mindfulness is to be present to our experience just as it is without judging ourselves. Sri Amit Ray said, "Life is a collection of moments. Mindfulness is beautification of the moments." When we notice our breath judgments arise during our practice, we can make a mental note of them, and let them pass. Sri Amit Ray said, "If you want to conquer the anxiety of life, live in the moment, live in the breath." Our instinctual fight, flight, freeze response orients us to avoid real or imagined threats to our safety and well-being. But mindfulness is appreciating the new opportunities of life. Sri Amit Ray said, "Every moment brings flowers of potentials. Your thoughts and interactions give them shape and reality." Mindfulness helps us to awaken to ourselves as we are. We then have a more true and authentic self to show others, which creates a foundation for love and intimacy in our lives and brings happiness and joy in the world. I hope this will give you a lot of fresh energy and inspirations for practicing mindfulness. My respect and pranam to Sri Guru Amit Ray for these wonderful teachings. Thanks.